Evening, folks. Brian here, Geomagnetic Earth Watch, Saturday, September 14, 2024. Always new people here. I've done this video a few times. I'm happy to do it again. It's my favorite pictorial to explain the process of solar flares, CMEs, etc. Representing this handgun here. So the handgun is our sun. Now, the flash, the muzzle flash that we see is actually the flare itself. And all the pictures and the videos that everybody posts, this is the flare containing the hard X-rays traveling at the speed of light reaches us in 8 minutes. If it is Earth directed, or if there is partially Earth directed, this is what I'm talking about. This is the hard X-rays that we can feel upon impact, 8 minutes following the flare. This is about all we're going to feel until the arrival of the CME. The CME, the coronal mass ejection, is sometimes ejected from these flares or the muzzle of the gun in a cloud of gas we call plasma, which contains hundreds of billions of tons of the highly charged particles. So in the example of this picture, let's say this is Earth-directed coronal mass ejection, CME. As with the case of today's X4.5 flare, there is an asymmetrical halo, not a full halo. So we can consider this gas discharge from the firearm as a partial halo, CME, whereas this is more a Earth-directed component. All these speckles here, you can consider these being the protons. Sometimes we have a proton event, which can happen anywhere from, say, 30 minutes to a couple of hours after a CME. So again, what we see is the hard X-ray hit, taking only 8 minutes to reach us. Depending on the space weather environment, solar wind speed, etc., this can take anywhere from 12 to 72 hours to reach us, 12 hours being a very large, fast flare. So 24 to 72 hours for this to reach planet Earth carrying the gamma radiation. I'm going to show you a couple more pictures so you have a better idea. Now in this model, yellow is the sun, green is Earth, 2 satellites. This could be considered a glancing blow, a side swipe, although it splits off and we do have a portion of a direct hit. Let's consider this a side swipe or a glancing blow. Another example is, this would be the severity of a glancing blow, a love tap to the side of the head, just missing planet Earth. No big deal. However, if it's directly Earth facing, this is what we're going to get hit with. Square in the face. Full hit, CME blast. This is why we also do not want to open up a discussion during CME solar storms of anything that might be stressful or might trigger your spouse. We can also have solar impacts that sneak up on us from behind. And let's not forget, Sol, our sun, has an Evo twin sister that will sneak up from behind us and give us a punch.